in Burlington on Lake Champlain up at the Vermont rail system. We're gonna go check out the roundhouse. And when we pulled in, I saw that their 50th anniversary locomotive was being stored there. So we're gonna check that out also.
New Yorkers, and also that they have 2 lighthouses.
That's right. Look at that guy. Hey William, you see there's an old caboose also. Yeah. Yeah, you do. Cute. All right, so William,
What?
this building next to us here, see that one right there?
Yeah.
That's the roundhouse. So we drove by it a few minutes ago and you saw how round it was, right? Or how curved it was, I guess. But yeah, so this is the side of it. And as we go around here, we can look back and get a better shot. And what do you see over there, little guy? There it is. That's right. Locomotive number 311, the 50th anniversary. Say that again.
And over here's the main show. Dun dun dun. It's not actually the main show.
So from here, so you see the special locomotive, bam, right over here is the roundhouse, and right in front of it is the turntable. The wind's picking up, isn't it, boy?
Woo!
Yeah. So anyway, that was kind of exciting, seeing the special 50th anniversary locomotive. And I was realizing on it said 2012.
Nice.
So, okay. So, okay,
no.
wait. It says 2012 on it, so you know what that means? It's actually 61 years now. That locomotive was painted 11 years ago.
What?
Yikes. There it is. Oh my goodness.
I